Good afternoon, students. Today we can discuss the topic product of the determinants. Product means multiplication, already you know very well. Already you can know multiplication of matrix. How do you multiply the matrix? If you are given two matrices, means row into column. Each row you can multiply to every column. Here the determinants also is like that only, but the determinants is always in square form. So if you are given two determinants A and B, means you can multiply row into column. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Like that you can multiply. Okay. Now we can discuss the problem, examples problem. Since the multiplication problems only given in the examples only. So verify determinants of AB equal to determinants of A into determinants of B. Okay, what is the matrix A? A given cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, and B cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. First of all, you can multiply by AB, two matrix, row into column. If you multiply, means cos into cos, cos square, sin into sin, sin square, minus plus. Next sin into cos, cos into sin, plus into minus, like that you can see here the result. Cos into cos, cos square plus sin square. Here cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Here sin theta cos theta minus cos theta sin theta. So plus minus cancel, cos square plus sin square means 1. So we get 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we can find the determinants of AB. Determinant means you can put determinant symbol. How to get the determinant value? Cross multiplication. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 0 into 0, 0. So 1 minus 0, 1 we get. Similarly, we can find out the determinants of A. What's the first determinant? Cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. If you take cross multiplication, means cos into cos, cos square will come, minus sin square will come, minus plus. So cos square plus sin square equal to 1. Similarly, determinants of B. Cos into cos, cos square, minus 0 into 0, 0. So we get the answer this. Determinants of A means cos into cos, cos square, minus sin square, minus plus. So cos square plus sin square equal to 1. Here determinants of B, cos into cos, cos square, minus sin into sin square. Okay, minus plus sin square, cos square plus sin square is 1. So determinants of A into determinants of B means 1 into 1, 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Problem. So example 7.28. Show that 0CB, C0A, BA0, okay, whole square. We can prove that this B square plus C square. We can prove that LHS equal to RHS. First of all, you can take LHS. What's LHS? 0CB C0A BA0 whole square. Whole square means 2 times. So this determines into this determines 2 times. Now you can follow row into column multiplication. Row into column, like that matrix multiplication. Okay, 0 into 0, 0. C into C, C square. B into B, B square. First row, first column. Next, first row, second column. 0 into C, 0. C into 0, 0. B into A, AB get right. AB. Next, first row, third column. 0 into B, 0. C into A means AC. Plus B into 0, 0. Okay? First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Next, second row, C0A. Second row, first column. What do you get? 0 plus 0 plus AB. C into 0, 0. 0 into C, 0. A into B, AB. Okay, next, second row, second column. C into C, C square plus next 0 into 0, 0, A into A square. Next, second row, third column. C into B, BC plus 0 into A, 0, A into 0, 0. Next, third row. Next, third row, first column. Third row, first column. B into 0, 0. A into C, AC. 0 into B, 0. Next, third row, second column. B into C, BC. A into 0, 0. Next, 0 into A, 0. Next, third row, third column. B into B, B square. A into A square. 0 into 0, 0. Now we can finally add this. We get C square plus B square. AB, AC, AB, C square plus A square. BC. Next, AC, BC, B square plus A square. That is RHS. LHS equal to RHS. That's all. Base. Example 29. Okay. So that 2BC minus A square. C square, B square. C square 2CA minus B square. A square. B square, A square 2AB minus A square. Equal to ABC, BCA, CAB whole square. See, in this case, we can prove that RHS equal to LHS. First of all, you can take RHS. Since here only given ABC, BCA, CA whole square given. So whole square means 2 times only, no? So first of all, I can take RHS. Whole square means 2 times. It will, in between minus will come. If you, so you have to get minus. How do we get minus? If change any 2 rows or any columns, we get the minus. So here, don't disturb the first determinant. Don't disturb the first determinant. Into, if you interchange row 2 and row 3. First, second row, third row you can interchange. Then only get minus here. Okay, if you interchange, what is the third row? CAB. What is the first, second row? BCA. So interchange row 2 and row 3 we can get minus. Now we can multiply by the minus in first column. We can multiply by minus in first column. That means minus into A, minus into B, minus into C, minus C. Now we can multiply as usual multiplication. Row into column. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Similarly, second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Next, third row, first column. Third row, second column. Third row, third column. See, A into A square minus A square. B into C, BC plus CB means CB. Okay. Similarly, you can multiply. First row, second column. We get this minus AB plus C square. First row, third column. We get this minus AC plus B square plus AC. Second row, first column. Minus AB plus C square plus AB. Second row, second column. Minus B square plus AC plus AC. Second row, third column. Minus BC plus A square. Okay, now third row, first column. Minus AC plus B square. Third row, second column. Minus BC plus A square plus BC. Third row, third column. Minus C square plus AB plus AB. So finally you can simplify this. We get this plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel. So after cancel sometime, here the both are plus only. So 2BC minus A square, here also both are plus. 2CA minus BB square, here 2AB minus C square. That is R. That is LHS. Okay, that is LHS. See next problem. 1x, 1x, 1. We get this answer. Okay. Here also you can take whole square. First of all LHS. This into this. Don't disturb the first determines. In this case, we can multiply and again multiply minus into minus like that. We can multiply by the second row minus minus minus. You can multiply by the minus third row minus minus minus. We can take minus minus also. Then only you get minus into minus plus. So this minus 1 into this. Now one can tally. See minus minus plus. Now we can get this form. Next you can multiply row into column. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. Similarly, second row, first column, second column, third row, third column. Next, the third row, first column, second column, third column. After you can multiply by this. So final answer after simplification. After simplification, we get this form. That is our RHS. That's all. Thank you. Good afternoon, students. Today we can discuss the topic area of the triangle and singular or non-singular and product of the determinant. First of all, we can discuss about area of triangle. Okay, how to use area of the triangle, how to find area of the triangle. See that first problem, exercise 7.4, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 0, 0, 1, 2 and 4, 3. Take the first, let the vertices of the triangle 0, 0, 1, 2 and 4, 3. Consider this point A, B, C. The area of the triangle formula is 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. The point is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3. Last column is 1 by. In front of 1 by 2 will come. Since area of the triangle means 1 by 2 in central also you can know very well. Okay, now you can substitute the value 1 by 2. What is the first point? 0, 0. So you can put 0, 0, 1. What's the second point? 1, 2. So you can put 1, 2, 1. Third point 4, 3. So I can 4, 3, 1. 1 by 2 will come. If 1 by 2, expand of this 0 into something 0. Minus 0 into something, that also 0. So 1 into this, 1 into 3, 3. Minus 4 into 2, 8. So 3 minus 4, minus 5 will come. So that the answer is 5 by 2. What is the reason for you get 5 by 2? Plus into minus minus only. But the area cannot be negative. That only can get 5 by 2 square units. Okay. The next problem, sum number 2, is also area of triangle only. If k, 2, 2, 4 and 3, 2 are vertices of the triangle ABC, then area is equal to 4 square units given. Then determine the value of k. A, k by k, 2, B, 2, 4, 4, 2 and C 3, 2. So given area of triangle ABC 4 square units. Now you can already know very well in area of the triangle formula 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. Next we can substitute 1 by 2, that first point k, 2. So k 2 1. Second point 2, 4, 2, 4, 1. Third point 3, 2. So 3, 2, 1. Now we can 1 by 2. We can take this here plus or minus 4. What is the reason means? Suppose this is a modulus value. So that's only can take plus or minus 4. So 2 come this side means 4 into 2, 8. Okay, now we can expand k into 4 minus 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 3 plus 1 into 4 minus 12 equal to plus or minus 8. Then 4 minus 2 means 2, then 2 into k, 2k. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus minus plus 2. 4 minus 8 is minus 8, that's a minus 8. Then 2 minus 8 is 6, then plus or minus 8. Okay, now you can take first plus value. 2k minus 6 equal to 8. Minus 6 comes this side means plus 6. So 2k is equal to 14. So k is equal to 7. Next we can take negative value. 2k minus 2k minus 8 plus 6 minus 2. So k equal to minus 1. The value of k is 7 or minus 1. That's all. Now the next problem. Now you can identify the singular or non-singular. The first problem. What is meant by singular means if a determinant's value is 0, then it's called a singular matrix. If determinant's value not equal to 0, then it is called a non-singular matrix. So identify the given three matrices are given. You can identify it is singular or not. So we can take the first problem. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. Expand the column one wise, that determines value. 1 into first row first column, 45 minus 48. Next minus 2, 4 9s are 36 minus 42 plus 3, 32 minus 35. So you can subtract this. 4 minus 3. This is minus 2 into minus 6 plus 3 into minus 3. So minus 3 plus 12 minus 12. So minus 12 plus 2 equal to 0. The answer, we get the answer is 0. The determinant's value is 0. Therefore, the given matrix is singular matrix. And the next problem you can same type. You can take, suppose you can take this B, you can expand this 2 into first row first column, reduce 0, 4, 5, 7. Next minus can be already given minus 3, so minus minus plus 3. First row second column 6, 4, 1 minus 5. Omitting first row third column 6, 0, 1, 5. So 0, so minus 20, you get minus 20. 3, so minus 42, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. Next 5 into 30 minus 0. Okay, you can subtract this 0 minus 20 is minus 20, 2 into 20, 40, so minus 40. Here minus 46, 3 into minus 46. Okay, so 5 into 30, 530. 5 into 37. So minus 40, here multiply minus 138. So 150. So that the answer is minus 28. The determinant values cannot be 0, therefore it is a non-singular matrix. It is a non-singular matrix. Then third sum, let's see is equal to 0 into something 0 only, so no need to explain. Then A minus B is given. So minus of A minus B. First row, second column means B minus A 5 minus K 0. Next K into B minus A 0 minus K minus 4. You can expand this. Okay, 0 minus 5K minus 5K plus 5K. Next K into minus 5 into B minus A, that's a 0. So you can multiply by this. Minus 5K into A minus B, this is a plus 5K into A minus B. Minus plus cancel, you get the answer is 0. Since the determinants of C is equal to 0, the given matrix is single. You can understand or not? You can first row 0 will take means 0 will come. No need to explain. The second one minus A minus B. Explain this means first row second column. Next K into. You can simply multiply and get it. Okay, minus 5K here. So B minus A you can change into A minus B, na minus will come. So that is a plus 5 into A minus B. You can multiply means plus 5K A minus B. Cancel off this with the times. Okay.